ever wondered how I get to travel the world, explore new countries, and live the life of my dreams? It is actually pretty simple. It's all thanks to trading. What's even better is that I didn't need a lot of money to get started as a trader. Curious about how it works? Watch this video until the end and you'll see exactly how much I can grow my balance in just one trading session. In this video, I'm going to share my secret strategy that no one else knows about. I also show you how to access trading signals with over 95% success rate. So, get comfortable and let's dive in.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, future millennials. I'm Barry Lloyd, and I've been a professional trader for 7 years, with 1.5 million in my bank account and counting. I can tell you that trading has the power to transform lives. I'm passionate about trading, and I want as many people as possible to experience its potential. If you're looking to start your trading journey but I worry you won't be able to handle it, this video is for you. I'll break down my system step by step and show you that you don't have to be a professional to trade company shares successfully. Still skeptical? Then just watch the video till the end. Before we dive in, let's talk about the first step every beginner trader should take. Is it getting a formal education? No. Is it spending endless hours studying complex information? No, not really. So the first step is simple: subscribe to my Telegram channel. There you'll find everything you need to get started, from learning how to analyze charts and spot entry points to getting in-depth market insights. But here's the real game changer: I share my proven trading strategies with over a 95% success rate, thousands of followers already replicating my trades and achieving financial freedom, all by following the ready-made schemes I prove. And the best part, it's completely free, so don't waste another second. Click the link in the description of this video and join our community of successful traders today. Alright, let's dive into our trading session. So to keep things transparent, I've emptied my account balance so you can clearly track out progress. Next, we'll configure out indicators. We'll use MACD and Bollinger Bands to guide our trades. Today we'll be focusing on trading shares of major companies and currency pairs. So we'll set each trade duration to 1 minute. And our picks for this session include stocks like Apple and Alibaba, along with pairs such as Canadian dollar Swiss franc and Australian dollar Canadian dollar. We're starting with Apple. You can see that the prices just dipped below the support zone and then bounced back up. It looks like an upward trend is forming and the price is set to rise. I'm going to invest in this uptrend. And just like that, we've made a profit of 192. Congratulations on kicking off your successful trading journey. Now let's take a look at Alibaba. Here we're also seeing signs of an upward trend. So I'm going to invest in growth again. We enter the trade and... boom! We've gained another 192. Fantastic! Let's stick with this strategy for now. The trend is still strong, so we'll repeat the operation, but this time let's up our investment. And just like that, we've added another 384 to our balance. Not a bad start at all. And now let's check back with Apple. The trend is still upward, so let's ride it and invest for growth. Boom! We've just added 768 to our balance. Fantastic! Now let's shift our focus on our pairs. I've chosen the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We see a clear upward trend here as well. The price keeps hitting the high highs and the high lows, so we'll wait for the price to dip to the support level and then we invest. And just like that, we added another 1536 to our account. Curious about what happens next? Keep watching to see. Let's stay the course here. We'll keep an eye on any shifts in the price channel. And look at that. The price has just broken through the upper boundary of the channel. Time to invest. And we score another 28.8 on top. Wow! Meanwhile, on Alibaba, there is a slight downward moment, perfect for short play. We invest 29. And just like that, we boost our balance by another 55.68. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair is taking a dive, with a strong bearish candle signaling a clear downward trend. Let's trade down. We invest. And there it is, another 107 added to our balance. We've just crossed the 100 mark, boys. Now you've seen it firsthand. You don't need a huge starting capital to trade successfully. My success rate is 88%, which is pretty impressive. I've simplified the process so you don't have to spend years or experience significant losses to achieve this. In my Telegram channel, I break down the entire trading process, showing you where to start and how to execute trades effectively. I also provide trading signals and personally answer any questions you might have. And the best part, it's all completely free. I wish I had access to something like this 7 years ago, so don't wait. Click the link in the description below this video and join our community. Start transforming your life with trading today. So let's take a look at the Australian and Canadian dollar pair. The price has hit the lower end of the movement and the MACD indicator is showing a significant dip. This suggests that we might see a reversal and an upward trend. So let's invest for growth. And we are by 205.44. That is amazing! Now back to Apple. The price here has also reached the support zone and started to decline. Given this moment, it seems likely that the support line will break, continuing this downward trend. So let's go short. We invest 206. And we've gained another 395.52. Unbelievable. Let's check out the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. We're seeing a strong bullish movement with barely any shadows. The price didn't even hesitate at the resistance zone and just broke right through it. So let's quickly invest 395 for the rise. And we are up by 758.40. Incredible speed and results. Why stop now? We've got a clear downward trend forming. Time to go short and capitalize on the decrease. We invest 759. And we get 1,457.27. A fantastic outcome. Ready for one more trade? We observe that the price is approaching the resistance zone, so we invest 1,457. Now that's a big price to lose, so press lower. And we get 2,797.44. Wow, that is amazing. Let's revisit the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc pair. Here we're focusing on a combination of technical indicators and the current price level. The setup suggests a likely rebound followed by a price drop, so let's invest 2,979. And what's our outcome? 5,370.24. That is fantastic! Now, what do you say to those who believe you need a ton of money to succeed in trading? Exactly, that is nonsense. You've seen firsthand where we started and the impressive balance we've built up. So do you want to achieve the same results? Then what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed to my Telegram channel yet, now's the time. I've put everything you need to kickstart your trading journey there. You'll find clear explanations for every chart and button, plus up-to-date trading signals and strategies. My subscribers simply follow along and see amazing results. Ready to join them? Click the link in the description below and start transforming your life today.